Cycling is beneficial not only for your health, but also for your wallet and the environment. I love cycling, and you? If you don't ride a bike yet, then I'll give you 5 reasons why you should start cycling right away. Okay, let's begin. Cycling is a great way to improve physical fitness and health. Regular physical activity helps strengthen muscles, improve circulation, and increase endurance. According to the NHS, regular cycling can reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases by 35%. Public Health England recommends at least 150 minutes of moderate physical activity per week, and cycling is an excellent way to meet these guidelines. A bicycle is a cheap mode of transport. You don't have to pay for fuel or parking. In the UK, the average annual cost of maintaining a car is around £3,000, including fuel, insurance, and servicing. Riding a bike saves you this money. Additionally, in many cases you can reach your destination faster by bike, avoiding traffic jams. According to research by the European Cyclist Federation, in larger cities like London or Manchester, a bike can be a faster mode of transport over short distances, where the average travel time during rush hours can be about 30% shorter than by car. A bicycle is environmentally friendly. It emits no exhaust fumes or noise, contributing to improved air quality and reduced noise in cities. According to the European Environment Agency, transport accounts for about 30% of CO2 emissions in the European Union. Switching to a bike can significantly reduce exhaust emissions. In the UK, data from the Department of Transport indicates that increasing the share of bicycles in daily transport by 10% could reduce CO2 emissions by a few million tons annually. Cycling can help reduce stress and improve well-being. Physical activity releases endorphins, which act as natural antidepressants. Regular physical activity, such as cycling, can reduce stress levels by up to 40%. Furthermore, data from the NHS report that people who regularly engage in sports are less prone to anxiety disorders and depression. Many cities have active cycling communities and organize various cycling events. Cycling is a great way to meet new people with similar interests. For example, in London, the London Cycling Campaign regularly organises bike rides and workshops for cyclists. Across the European Union, the European Mobility Week programme promotes sustainable transport and social integration through numerous cycling events. According to data from the European Social Survey, participation in such events increases the sense of community and positively affects participants' mental health. Switching to a bike is an investment in health, money savings, and environmental benefits. Let me know in the comments below if this video helped convince you to start cycling and which reasons were the most persuasive. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more tips like this, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks, and see you soon!